Gelato Parlor ice cream, baby.
Gelato Parlor.
Thank you, Karen, for the name. I suck at names, and she came up with that one. Wonderful. Look at those colors.
And they all look like ice cream already.
Yes. I made little soap dough ice cream scoops. There they are. Every one carefully created by hand. Many flavors, because I know not everybody likes the same flavor, right?
Yeah.
If you like our videos, please subscribe and hit that like button. And we'll keep doing them. How about that? Anyway, September is Self-Care Awareness Month. And I want to know, what does that mean to you?
Me, it just means nothing, because what does self-care mean?
I don't know. I can't figure it out.
Yes, it doesn't mean like
massage your own feet?
I don't know. Does it mean
have an ice cream cone?
Remember to wear oven gloves when you take something out of the oven, because I often don't and burn my fingers. So is that self-aware?
He has asbestos hands.
Yeah, I mean, I just don't know. I mean,
what can you do to self-care for yourself?
I think he's talking about mental well-being, but you know,
is it?
What
Self-care awareness. So how do you? I mean, you could meditate, I suppose. You could, I guess it's just do something you want to do for yourself.
Yes, to
right?
make you happy and chill out. Something that gives you a sense of well-being.
So if that means making soap, make soap. If it means making music, make music. Do whatever you want to do one day this month.
Whatever it is you do.
You want to stay in bed all day? Stay in bed all day.
Yeah.
Watch all your favorite shows. Maybe that's what it means.
Maybe.
I don't know, but I haven't done it. Have you done it? Maybe we should buy ice cream.
Yeah.
Or did we already just do that recently? I don't have a clue.
Yeah, we had some ice cream a few weeks back.
Yeah, and it hurt the stomach. I don't know.
She puts loads and loads and loads of peanuts in it.
I put peanuts in it. I put chocolate fudge sauce, caramel sauce, peanuts, and whipped cream.
And it's very rich.
And it's French vanilla.
You can't stop eating it.
Now this scent, okay, proprietary. That means I mixed a bunch of scents together that came up smelling just like what?
I don't know.
Ice cream, perhaps?
Oh, ice cream, yes, because it's an ice cream soap, yes.
Yes.
So it'll smell of candy and things like that.
It smells like ice cream. I even put a little hint of chocolate in there for that layer.
There's quite a few colours.
It's not an overwhelming chocolate, so if you don't like chocolate, don't even worry about it. It's just a hint of chocolate. And you and Karen are my soap namers, we'll say.
We are the PR marketing team.
Yes.
Ha 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 ha.
I'm not good with names. I don't know what it is.
Yes.
I just have no imagination whatsoever.
And that's a beautiful pink colour.
I like that pink.
Anyway, just thought I'd mention something. What do you think about nosy neighbours? You know those neighbours that have got nothing better to do all day than to watch people.
Don't even get me started, okay? The city came to my door because I had a weed in my yard that was over 7 centimeters. I don't know. I had a weed, okay? And I was given 5 days to deal with the weed. I mean, come on. Hello across the street. Not too obvious. But anyway.
Yeah, what do you think about it? Nosy neighbours. The ones that you just roll your eyes at because you just think, I've got nothing better to do. They stand in the window like ornaments.
I mean, do we have to cover our windows with tinfoil? I don't know.
Anyway, I just noticed there that powder says white diamonds. Now I'm sure the infamous Elizabeth Taylor had a perfume out called White Diamonds.
Okay, but it's okay because it's a description.
Yeah, it's not a product.
It's not really, well, it is the name, but it describes the product, so I don't think it's like, an infringement of any kind. Now, I was going to use just the White Diamonds mica, but it didn't get white enough for me, so I added some TD there, and this is the piping.
Yo, titanium dioxide.
We're already at the piping stage. And it looks like
cream.
Cream.
So if you've got a sweet tooth and you want to smell like the things that you eat, this is the perfect soap for you.
Well, you don't really smell like candy after ice cream. It's an enjoyable experience while you're using it, right?
And there we go again, little
Dollops.
pipette things that look like ice gems.
Yes.
Now we're going to have to get a picture of ice gems and show you because they are little cookies.
Are they cookies?
And they have a bit of icing on the top. And
Are they bigger
so
than
marvellous.
that?
They're dead tiny.
Are they? And they're cookies?
Yeah, little tiny cookie biscuits.
Okay.
The size of a penny or something like that.
I have to ask, how much does it cost for a cookie the size of a penny?
No, you get a bag of them.
Oh, okay.
You get a bag of about 30 in a bag. They're really nice. Probably some people out there know what they are and know what I'm talking about. They are
Sparkles.
Moorish. And here we go now for the
Moorish,
finishing.
Meaning, as I've
You can
come
eat
to
them
learn,
all day and night. That's what Moorish means.
that you can't stop eating
That's
damn
right.
things.
And here we go for the illustrious ice cream rounds, whatever they're called.
Scoops.
Scoops. Why'd I say rounds?
I don't know.
All different colours. And a flavour for everybody.
There's a flavor for everybody in there, and there's even cake sprinkles.
And there's not a single ice cream that I don't like. I like them all.
I like tiger tail ice cream, and mint chocolate is good, but I also like French vanilla. I hate strawberry.
Oh, I like them all.
I like chocolate. Did I say that already? I don't know.
And doesn't that look yummy enough to eat?
It does. Disclaimer though, don't eat it.
Now it's Slicey time.
And
Hey, I
this
just
soap-
thought of a new thing. Slicey time.
Whizzy whizzy, let's get busy. Slicey slicey, let's get dicey. This soap will be available sometime in October for the fall release. I know it's ice cream and fall is cold, but who doesn't crave ice cream all year?
Exactly.
I do.
So grab yourself a few slices, fill your cart,
Feel you, Kurt?
make us happy, make us continue to support this channel.
Yes, please. We appreciate all of you.
Yeah, we do. We're
I've
not in it for
never-
greed. We just want, just to cover costs and stuff.
Yeah, that would be great. Everybody needs soap.
As long as we can get 2 bags of Lay's out of the rest of it, we're happy.
And if you like lots of bubbles, my recipe is very bubbly and it's non-drying, and it's creamy, bubbly, non-drying. What can I say?
Ooh, look at that.
Yeah,
Uniformed in colour.
yeah. Except the green layer is a little off, but there's a brace and
Brace
four.
of ice
What do you call
creams.
4 on the side there?
Yay.
Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.
See you soon, people.
See you Saturday.
Bye, 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 cherry pie.
Bye. Bye.